Sandhya has doubt related to make structure. See, first of all, let's talk about present indefinite tense with make causative verb. Present indefinite tense like मेरी माँ मुझसे कपड़े धुलवाती है. This is present indefinite tense. Sandhya, isn't it present indefinite?
Yes, sir. Present indefinite.
So every tense has different structure. So present. Let everybody come first. I think that is disturbing.
Okay, sir.
Present indefinite has a structure. The structure is subject plus make or makes. Then you can put you, me, him, her, them, us. You can take any name. You can take my mother, your father, etc. This is the doer. Then you have to put verb, base form, and then object. It means start with subject. Meri ma is the subject. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So first you have to put Meri ma. It means my mother. Now the second is either you can take make or makes. Which makes.
My mother makes me.
So my mother makes. Then you have to come this side and think of any object. मुझसे means me, right? Me. So my mother makes me. Now choose verb. धुलवाती means dhona. Dhona is wash. Then choose object. Kapde. Clothes. Now the sentence is ready.
My mother makes me wash clothes.
This is present indefinite positive sentence. Now come to the negative sentence of the same tense. मेरे पापा मुझसे अपना कमरा क्लीन नहीं करवाते. Now negative sentence structure subject. You have to put either don't or doesn't. Then you have to put make. Only make. You cannot say makes because you have already taken doesn't. So either it is don't or doesn't. Verb first form is supposed to be there. Then you can put here may, me, you, him, etc. Then verb base form and then the object. मेरे पापा मुझसे अपना कमरा क्लीन नहीं करवाते हैं. My father doesn't make me clean his room. This is present indefinite causative sentence in negative, using negative structure. Now interrogative sentence. In interrogative sentence, first we will check yes no question. Let's start. क्या तुम्हारा बेटा तुमसे अपना होमवर्क करवाता है? So the structure is, you have to take the helping verbs first, either do or does, then put the subject, then put here make,
have to.
Then you can put you, me, him, etc. Then your verb base form. Then the object of the verb. क्या तुम्हारा बेटा? Does your son make you करवाता है मतलब do, make you do his
Make you do this homework.
homework. Done.
Yes, sir.
It's present indefinite. Now WH words such as तुम अपने बेटे से क्या करवाते हो? And the
Does.
structure is, when there is WH word, you have to start the sentence with the WH word. Then you can put do or does,
Yes.
then the subject, then make, then you can put here you, him, me, etc.
Yes, sir.
Verb base form. If there is any object you can put, if there is no object you cannot put. तुम अपने बेटे से क्या करवाते हो? First take what, okay? Then you have to choose either do or does. What helping verb will you choose?
So does.
Do.
What? Sorry. That's a
Tum.
good.
Does.
Listen to me. Listen to me. तुम करवाते हो मतलब तुम फोर्स करते हो मतलब तुम सब्जेक्ट हो तो you. What do you, है ना?
Do you?
What do you
Yes. You
make your son do? That's it. What do you make your son do? तुम अपने बेटे से क्या कराते हो? What do you make? This you is the subject. You is the
sir.
subject. So we are putting here do, seeing the subject, not seeing son. Seeing the subject we are putting here do. Because our this helping verb do, does, everything depends on the subject. If our subject is third person, we will put does. If our subject is you, we will put do. So we are not going to see that there is beta in the sentence, so beta will take does. No. Beta is the doer, you know. Beta is the doer. But
Yes,
I am
yes.
talking about the subject which is forcing the doer. So which subject is forcing the doer? This tum is forcing, isn't it?
Tum.
Yes, yes.
तुम अपने बेटे से क्या कराते? It means तुम is the subject which is forcing his beta. See?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So we have to put do or does, seeing the subject, not seeing the doer who is being forced. We don't have to see that. One more sentence. If I ask you a question that तुम्हारी मदर तुमसे बर्तन क्यों धुलवाती? So when I say तुम्हारी mother, so our subject is तुम्हारी mother, isn't it?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Yeah. So when I say क्यों धुलवाती, if I say why, so what should I put? Do or does? What should I put here?
Does.
I should
Does.
put here
Does.
does because my subject is तुम्हारी mother and mother will take does, isn't it?
Yes, yes.
So we have to say
Yes.
why does your mother? Now put make.
Make.
तुमसे make you
You.
You.
do dishes. That's it. Why does your mother make you do dishes? Take one more sentence. You have to learn today. Just there are 12 tenses, you know. There are 12 tenses, and in every tense you have to use this make causative verb if you want to be perfect in this causative sentence. It means you have 12 tenses. It means 12 structures. One tense, one structure means 12 tenses, 12 structures. But one tense has positive, negative, interrogative plus negative, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
So if one tense has at least 4 types, so 12 tenses would have 48 types,
Yes, sir.
isn't it? 48 types. See, if I ask you a question that तुम अपने बेटे से हर रोज एक इंग्लिश एस्से क्यों नहीं लिखवाते हो? लिखवाते हो.
तुम बेटे से
So first of all, why? है ना? First of all, why?
Yes.
Now, the subject is तुम, right? तो क्यों
Yes.
नहीं means why don't you? Why
I don't.
don't you make your son write?
Right.
एक इंग्लिश essay and English essay daily. That's it. Very simple. See?
सर एक चीज पूछनी थी, जैसे बर्तन धुलवाना के लिए डू आएगा, डू डिशेस.
Do dishes is रटा रटाया इंग्लिश, बना बनाया फ्रेज. बाकी हम अपनी तरफ से क्लीन पॉट्स, वॉश पॉट्स, ये तो हम बोलते हैं यूटेंसिल्स जो है. डू डिशेज एक बना बनाया है, आता है ना, कोलोकेशन, बने बनाए. जैसे मेक अ नॉइज मतलब शोर मचाना.
Sir, मैं ask one question. मतलब आपकी इंग्लिश अच्छी होती जा रही है.
Means you can put getting. Your English is getting better day by day. Getting plus comparative degree. Your English
Better.
is getting better. Yeah, getting better
Your English is getting better
day by
day
day.
by day.
Day by day. Yeah.
Okay. Thank you.
Or sometimes people say your English is improving. You know, ऐसा भी कह देते हैं. But getting better, I think it's a good sentence. Now,
Okay.
what is the name of the girl who asked me this question? Make this. Sandhya, right? Okay, Sandhya. Now there is a sentence for you guys. Listen, everybody. No, listen to me.
Okay.
Let Sandhya translate one sentence. This is for her only. That तुम अपने पति से वेजिटेबल्स क्यों खरीदवाती हो? Only Sandhya.
Why do you? That is
I do.
How many Sandhyas do we have here?
Sir, Sandhya and Sandhya, sir. Sandhya this side, sir.
Only Sandhya is supposed to translate the sentence. I hope only one Sandhya is here in the batch.
एक मिनट सर, एक मिनट. Actually, there is some noise. एक मिनट सर. Yes, sir. तुम अपने पति से वेजिटेबल क्यों धुलवाती हो? खरीदवाती हो, सॉरी. हाँ, why do you
Okay.
why do you make why do you
make?
why do you make your husband purchase vegetable? Why do you make your husband purchase vegetables?
Now, guys, each of you should cross check whether it is up to the mark or not.
okay, sir.
Is it all right, everybody?
Yes, sir. Yes, according to me, it is right, sir.
Good. It means Sandhya passes the exam. What do you think? She passes the exam?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Sandhya,
Yes,
you pass.
sir.